Alright, go.
This is my new hoverboard.
And he's not at all excited.
Smart balance wheel. Some kind of love letter in here.
A love letter. Dun 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 dun.
Manual.
Dun dun.
The charger. That's pretty sweet. Here it is. Oh yeah.
Ooh, it smells new.
It smells like a new car.
It does smell like a new car. Let's see that thing. Look at that. Let the knee breakings begin.
I did the Black Widow in Derby. I can handle it.
Probably ought to get.
Charge this puppy in.
Does it have any charge on it now?
I'd rather do the battery at this right.
Cool.
We'll let it check back when it's charged.
Are we done with this?
Yeah.
Say bye.
Bye bye.